everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for coming by. Today I have something new and completely different. I have a collab. I have done my first collab with Sub Boxes and Cocktails Laura. I came across Laura's video when I was looking for a new bath subscription. I knew I wanted to add one, but I couldn't decide which, and she had them. And I loved her videos. She's so sweet and natural and upbeat. It's just, you know how you just feel drawn to a person? And I just knew it. So after watching one of her videos, I commented that she had talked about everything so descriptively and wonderfully that I just wished we had Smellivision. I wanted to smell all of those bath goodies she was telling me about. And she wrote back and she said, you know what, that's a great idea. Why don't we do a collab? I'll send you a few items of my favorite scents and vice versa, and we'll unbox them and share them with everybody. And I thought that is a fantastic idea. So we've been emailing back and forth, and I feel like I've really gotten to know her. And you know when you start talking to somebody and you just know that they've got a beautiful spirit? I just feel like that with Laura. So be sure and go over, check out her channel, subscribe, Sub Boxes and Cocktails Laura. I'll put her link below. So what we've done is I'm gonna do an unboxing of the products that she sent me of her favorite scents. And on her channel, she'll post the video of her unboxing all of the things that are my favorite things that I sent to her. So again, I'll put the link below so you can go check that out. So let's get into these packages. I have to wait and show them to you until I get into them because we both reused boxes, so our addresses are all over everything. So let me get into this. I'm so excited. This is so exciting. You know how there's so many spoilers with so many of the subscription boxes that you do, that how often does something come that you just truly have no idea what is inside? It feels like Christmas. Okay, so this is the box. And there's a card on top. Yay, I was so glad I remembered to do a card. I did realize that I forgot to be very specific about what each of the items was. But I also have, she sent another follow-up package because there was something she meant to include in the first one. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out and put it with the box, so we'll be down to one. Okay, all right, well, let's see what the card says. I'm gonna give it a quick read through. Oh, it's so pretty. Isn't that pretty? It says thank you and it's got glitter all over it. It's so pretty. I told you, she's the sweetest person. Okay, let's put my glasses on. I think I can totally read this. I hope this is okay, Laura. I'll check with you before I post. It says, Catherine, thank you for doing this collab with me. I hope you love what I picked for you. These are all items I have used and love. There is a sample in here too I think you will like. Hugs, Laura. That is so sweet. Yay. Okay, so we'll start with the product that was in the separate bag, and it is the Tisserand Aromatherapy Pure Essential Oils. How exciting! Feel Good collection. Who doesn't want to have a feel good collection? Look how awesome. Back says, give yourself a daily fix of good life with these essential oils. Go on, spoil yourself. All right, we're gonna get in here and see what they are. I can already smell it, and they smell fantastic. So there's a rosemary, a peppermint, and a lemon. Very nice. Thank you so much, Laura. I love, you don't even know this about me. See, we know each other and we don't even know how well we know each other. I love essential oils, and I have a diffuser that I use all the time. So this is perfect. It's like Christmas. Okay, let's get into this big box, and oh my goodness. Let me see if I can get these squigglies off the top so you guys can see this. It is just full of goodies. Laura, it's beautiful. Look, guys. Don't you wish you got sub boxes that look that awesome? Oh my goodness. All right, let's dig right in here and see what there is. I have the 5th Veda Crown Bath Salts. All right. That is so nice. It says, when balanced, the crown chakra supports spiritual connection to our higher self, and connection to the divine. That is so cool. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, I wish I could describe to you. What does it say? I am so horrible. I know, I'm doing a collab about scents, and I am horrible at defining them. It says it's sea salt and fragrance. Well, I don't know what it is, but it smells delicious. It's just clean. It's a very clean smell. Can't wait to use these. Okay, next we have Yippee and Company Moisturizing Shea Lotion in Lavender. It's going to smell like lavender. I love it when there's a giveaway. Organic lotion moisturizes and protects, filled with skin-loving ingredients such as shea butter, vitamin E, and almond oil to keep your hands and body soft and healthy. Yay. Oh. So, did you want to smell it? I haven't done that in quite some time. Look, you can smell it. It smells so good. It smells just like lavender. Let's see. It's so firm. Oh, it's going to be so moisturizing. Oh, so nice. Oh, wow. You guys don't mind if I stop and put some lotion on my hands, do you? Oh. It's like you know me, Laura. These are my favorite scents. And now I'm good and lotiony. Look at how, can you guys tell how nice and lotioned and shiny that is? Pretty awesome. Okay, next we have soaps. Handcrafted goodness. They're adorable, like little bath soaps like you would put on a little dish. Lavender and lemongrass. So pretty. That will look so pretty on a dish in my, what's a prettier word than that? Laboratory. Oh, those are so, oh, they smell so good. So pretty. Thank you. I'm just going to keep saying thank you because they're awesome. Okay, next I have a Lilac Whipped Body Butter Blend. But this is by the same company as the lavender. You like lavender? Me too. And it's like whipped body butter. You know how the other one was real firm? This one's much softer and feels so nice. Oh my goodness. Oh, lilac. I read lilac and I heard, this is how you guys can tell I'm serious. I put on my big girl necklace. I heard lilac, but I thought lavender. So when I just lifted it to my face, it smells just like spring, like lilac. Oh, it smells so good. This is like, oh, this is like spring in a box. Laura, that was fantastic. Next we have a Manicadar set of 3 bath bombs in sea minerals. Oh, these smell so good. Kind of rosy and nice. They're just pretty. I didn't even know Manicadar made these. I love her products. That is so awesome. Okay, next I have, oh, this is huge. A candle. Pomegranate Noir perfume candle. Bougie perfume. Very pretty. It's huge and it's a gorgeous pink. This is one of the ones that as soon as it's done, it's probably going to get cleaned out and be holding some makeup brushes. Oh, that smells so good. I actually think my husband will enjoy this scent. You know how sometimes you light those candles and your husband walks in and he's like, I don't think this one's going to get that face. I think this one's going to be like, oh, that's nice. Oh, that just smells so nice. It is Wolf and Lamb Scented Candle. And like I said, it's Pomegranate Noir and it smells lovely. So pretty. Okay, next is my sample and it is a Color Science Total Eye 3-in-1 Renewal Therapy. Very neat. That is so cool. I don't know if it has a scent or not. I'm not going to open the packaging until I'm ready to use it. But it is a 3-in-1 renewal therapy, SPF 35, that's awesome. Corrects dark circles, also awesome. Brightens and depuffs, smooths fine lines and wrinkles. Very cool. I'm for sure trying this, Laura. Have you heard me talk about my dark circles one too many times? Maybe. Okay, and I think last, yes, something wrapped up nicely in bubble wrap. Oh, more bubble wrap. Oh, it's a palette. Exciting. L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Scented Eyeshadow. That is so cool. Enchanted Fruit Scented Eyeshadow. The colors are fantastic too. Let me see if I can't smell it through the box. Let's see if I can get this open. I might have to. I'm going to employ my handy dandy knife, which I stole from my husband, and I offered it back and he said no, it was good. He had several. It smells like cherry. That is so awesome. That is so nice. Great colors too, right? Very cool. So pretty. Should we swatch a couple? I mean, I would if it was any other video. Let's try this pretty peach here. Yeah, let's try this peach. Oh, it feels very creamy. Let's try this peach, this pretty champagne color up here. This nice gold color down here. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna put them right here on the back of this hand. Ooh, so pretty. That's gonna look so pretty. Thank you so much, Laura. This is incredible. It's like Christmas right here in the middle of April. I can't believe it. So I have the candle and the eyeshadows and a couple of body creams and some nice bath salts and some soap and a nice sample and the Manicure bath bombs and these excellent essential oils. This was fantastic. It's my first collab and it was so exciting. I can't believe that just a couple short weeks ago, I didn't even know who she was, and now I feel like I know this special person. It is just incredible. So please go over and check out her channel. She'll have the video of her unboxing what I sent to her. I hope that mine held up because I really feel like she knew me here with this lilac and the lavender and the spring scents and the essential oils. It's like she's in my head. So go see what I picked out for her. Fingers crossed she's as happy as I am. And it's Sub Boxes and Cocktails Laura. And like I said, I'll put the link below. I'm probably going to put it in my description and my comments just to be sure that I've got it somewhere working because I'm awesome with tech. And I will see you soon. Please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for coming by the channel, and thank you so much, Laura, for reaching out. I am so glad that I've gotten to know you, and I feel better for having you in my life. Bye guys. Thanks so much.